8. WH question with examples. What, where, when, why, how, which, and whom. Let's take them one by one for each word in 5 questions and 5 answers. Number 1 is what? What is used to ask about things or actions?
What is your name?
My name is Alisa.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to jazz music.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
What hobby do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy reading the most.
Number 2 is where. Where is used to ask about place or location.
Where do you live?
I live in Australia.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Chicago.
Where is your favorite place to travel?
My favorite place to travel is Tokyo.
Where can I find the nearest grocery store?
The nearest grocery store is on Maple Street.
Where does your best friend work?
My best friend works at a law firm.
Number 3 is when. When is used to inquire about time.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April 8.
When did you last go on vacation?
I last went on vacation in August.
When does your favorite TV show air?
My favorite TV show airs on Wednesdays at 8 p.m.
When did you start learning a new skill?
I started learning a new skill last month.
Number 4 is why. Why is used to ask for reasons.
Why do you always smile when you see me?
Because seeing you brightens my day.
Why do you think about me so much?
Because you're always on my mind.
Why do you always hold my hand?
Because it's the way I feel closest to you.
Why did you choose me?
Because I see my forever with you.
Why do you look at me like that?
Because I see my whole world in your eyes.
Why do you always support me?
Because your happiness is my happiness.
Number 5 is how. How is used to ask about manner, condition, or degree.
How does it feel to be loved by me?
It feels like a warm embrace.
How do you stay calm when I'm silly?
Your silliness makes me smile.
How can I make you feel special every day?
Just being yourself is enough.
How do you make simple moments magical?
With you, everything is magical.
How do you feel about our future?
Excited and hopeful.
How do you always know what I need?
I listen with my heart.
Number 6 is who. Who is used to ask about people.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is J.K. Rowling.
Who makes you feel most loved?
You, every single day.
Who makes you feel complete?
You, and only you.
Who is your favorite person?
You, without a doubt.
Who do you want to spend your life with?
You, and no one else.
Number 7 is which is used for referring to things or animals.
Which sports team do you support?
I support the Chicago Cubs.
Which moment with me do you cherish the most?
Every moment spent together.
Which quality of mine do you love the most?
Your kindness and understanding.
Which place do you want to visit with me?
Anywhere, as long as it's with you.
Which future plan excites you the most?
Building our life together.
Which of my gestures do you find most romantic?
Any moment you show your love.
Number 8 is whom. Whom is used for referring to people and is the object from of who.
Whom did you invite to your party?
I invited my close friends and family.
Whom do you trust the most?
I trust my best friend the most.
Whom did you meet at the conference?
I met several industry experts and colleagues.
Whom should I contact for more information?
You should contact the customer service department.
Whom did you ask for advice?
I asked my mentor for advice.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget practice these examples, and also like the video and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, to more videos about English learning.